Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the house of many, many meows. Shut up, Minnie. Be patient. This is what we get for trying to feed them tuna. Never feed kids tuna. Never feed them tuna.
Look, there's Stinker and her meow.
Oh, y'all cats will get it. Hey, Stinker.
Look.
Oh, Stinker about to start coming. Why are you meowing at me, girl? Why are you meowing? Bug wants it badly.
Where's Stinker?
Come on, kitties. Don't worry, girl. We love you. Hey, don't start meowing at me, girls and boy. Hey, go in there. Go that way. How about you go that way? Girl, we love you. You know that. Jeez, you still sound like you're badly sick. Listen up, kitties. Your food will almost be ready. I know y'all don't get tuna much, but chill out. Chill out. I know, right? Cats don't know when to chill.
Alright.
Oh, hey, stop that bug.
Alright.
Socks, or Stinker. You need to grab a bowl.
No, just here. Just walk the cord.
Oh, God. No, I cannot miss this.
Are you ready?
Yes, I got it.
Hey.
Now we have 3 hungry cats. So now you're just backing that cat up like, hey, get back.
Well, watch me try to steal one of them. In a second.
She's already gone for the other bowl, so who's to say she won't?
Well, last time she tried to.
Now we have 3 cats eating. They're not meowing like maniacs, but instead eating like calm kitties.
Shit's coming down.
Stinker, the gray one. A normal kitty. Minnie, the one who we made jokes about making. The sassy one who will try to eat out of others' bowls. Hey, stop it, Minnie. You eat out of your own bowl.
What'd I tell you?
And then Bug, the crazy hyperactive child.
That loves to sneeze.
Well, he can't help it though. That's the thing. Minnie, no.
Well, fine.
Fine. That's for this kid. Man, I never thought I'd be able to sit on the couch like this. Just sit on the side and watch some kitties eat food. But here we have a Minnie all alone. It's for these cats, man. This is why I like cats. Not only because of how stupid they are at times, or how unforgiving they are, but because of this. If you get the right amount of cats, my limit is maybe 4 or 5. Granted, the max I'll have is probably 3, sadly.
Are you done recording?
No, I'm going to record for about another minute. Just some beautiful cats eating.
Here, girl. Ain't nobody gonna take it.
Oh. And now Minnie's back over there, eating. Now we go back to these 2. Hey, kitties. Bug looked. And then we have Minnie over here. Minnie, Stinker, Bugs. I just realized Stinker and Bugs look real similar. Like their fur color is almost identical. On camera it probably is. Mom, this is why we don't give them tuna much. And we have reached the 5-minute mark. So I guess I'll be going. For some reason, it's time to upload to YouTube.